Today I'm going to teach you how to combine PDF documents in DocuSign. This is incredibly useful when you need to consolidate multiple signed agreements or documents into one organized file for easier storage and sharing. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account using your login credentials. Make sure you have these ready so you can access your documents without any delays. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several options. Look for and click on Agreement. This section is where all your DocuSign documents are organized and managed, making it the central hub for accessing files you've sent, received, or completed. Once you're in the Agreement section, turn your focus to the left sidebar. Here you'll see different categories for organizing your documents. Click on Completed. This will filter your view to show only those agreements and documents that have been fully executed and finalized, which is typically where you'll find the files you want to combine. Now browse through your completed documents and locate the specific file you want to combine into a PDF. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that file where you'll see several action options. Click on Download. This is the key step that will allow you to access the combining feature. A dialog box will appear with download options. This is where the magic happens. You'll notice a checkbox that says Combine all PDFs into a single file. Go ahead and check this box. By selecting this option, DocuSign will automatically merge all the individual PDF documents associated with that agreement into one consolidated file, saving you the hassle of manually combining them later. After you've checked the box, click the Download button to proceed. DocuSign will now process your request and create the combined PDF file. Depending on the size and number of documents being merged, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the system works its magic. Finally, in the upper right panel of your browser, you'll see your downloaded file appear. This is your combined PDF, ready to be saved to your computer or opened for review. You can now access all your documents in one convenient file. And that's it. You've successfully combined your PDF documents in DocuSign, making your document management much more streamlined and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.